Good morning, class. Today we will be continuing the same chapter, that is chapter 15, perimeter of rectilinear figures. We have completed almost more than half part of the chapter. Some part has not yet been done, so that I'll be explaining today. See, perimeter of a square is equals to 4 into side of a square. That this thing I have told you in the previous class, that formula of perimeter of square is 4 multiplied by side of square. From this formula only another formula for side of a square has been derived, which is given as side of a square is equals to perimeter of a square divided by 4. So you have to learn both the formula. Whenever it is asked perimeter of a square, you have to find out, then you will apply this formula, that perimeter of a square is equals to 4 into side of a square. And when you have to find out side of the square and perimeter is given to you, then you will apply the second formula that is given here. Side of the square is equals to perimeter of square divided by 4. Now come to the exercise, that is exercise 59. Question number 7. The question is, the side of a square lawn is 24 meters. Find the length of the fence around it. What is the meaning of fence? Fence actually means the boundary. Okay. So the boundary of length of the boundary is asked here. And side of the square lawn is given how much? 24 meters. So first of all I have written the first statement, that is, first listen, in word problems, first of all what you have to do, you have to write down whatever is given in the question, then you have to write what is asked and you have to find out that. So first of all, what is given? Side of the square lawn is given. So first statement I have written there, side of square lawn is how much? 24 meter. Now the thing that is written in bracket below that I have written length of fence, length of wire needed to fence. Whenever it is asked to you to find out length of fence or length of wire that is needed to fence, then that means you have to find out the perimeter. Okay, directly it is not asked perimeter, but it is given that you have to find out the length of fence or length of wire needed to fence, then that means you have to find out the perimeter with the help. So which formula you will apply? You will apply the formula of perimeter of square. Why? Because the lawn is which shape? Square shape. So perimeter of square is equals to 4 multiplied by side of square. So side of 4 multiplied by side of the square is given how much? 24. That means answer has come 96 meter. Don't forget to write meter here. By mistake it has been skipped here. You have to write 96 meter is the answer. Clear? Now next come to the question number 8, that is, the length and breadth of a rectangular park are 96 meters and 74 meters respectively. Respectively is given, that means length is 96 meters and breadth is 74 meters. A boy runs 2 times around the park. Find the distance covered by him. Now listen, you have to find the distance covered by the boy. When the boy runs how many times? 2 times around the park. So first of all what I told? First of all you will write whatever is given. So what is given? Length and breadth are given. So write length of rectangular park is equals to 96 meter. Then I have written breadth of rectangular park is equals to 74 meter. Now it is given that a boy runs how many times? 2 times. Then so you have to find out the distance covered by him. Distance covered by the boy. That means first of all you will find out the perimeter of rectangular park. What is the formula of perimeter of rectangular park? It is equals to 2 multiplied by, within bracket you will write length plus breadth. So 2 multiplied by, in bracket it is written length is how much? 96 and breadth is how much? 74. 2 multiplied by 96 plus 74. So 2 into 170, that means 340 meter is the final perimeter of the rectangular park. But the boy runs how many times? 2 times. So distance covered by boy, what you will do? You will multiply it by 2. Why? Because the boy is running 2 times. So that means multiply the perimeter, whatever has come, 340 meter, by 2. So answer will come 680 meter is the distance covered by the boy. In the same way you have to do question number 9. So question number 9 you have to do on your own, that is in your homework. Clear? Next we have question number 10. Find the cost of fencing a square park of side 150 meter at the rate of rupees 6 per meter. This question is given at page number 230. You can open your books and see the question. Find the cost of fencing a square park of side 150 meter. That means side of the square park is given how much? 150 meter. So first of all I have written side of square park is equals to 150 meter at the rate of rupees 6 per meter. Per meter means 1 meter. So that means cost of 1 meter fence is given how much? Rupees 6. And you have to find out the total cost of fencing the park. Now one more formula is there for finding the cost. You have to learn this also, that cost of fencing is equals to perimeter multiplied by cost of 1 meter fence. So first of all find out the perimeter of a square by applying the formula 4 multiplied by side of the square. So 4 multiplied by side of square, 4 into 150 meter. Answer, perimeter has come how much? 600 meter. Now you have to find out the cost of fencing. So you will multiply the perimeter by cost of 1 meter. Cost of 1 meter is how much? 6 rupee. So multiply 600 by 6. How much has come? Rupees 3600 is the total cost of fencing the square park. In the same way you have to do question number 11 also, that is your homework. Now come to question number 12. The perimeter of a rectangular field is 164 meters. If its length is 50 meters, find its breadth. Now what is given? Perimeter of rectangular field is given. So first statement I have written, perimeter of a rectangular field is equals to 164 meter. Now next statement what is given? Length of the field is given. So length of field is equals to 50 meter. Now what you have to find out? Breadth. So breadth of field formula is 1 by 2 multiplied by perimeter minus length. So within bracket 1 by 2 multiplied by perimeter is how much? It is given 164 meter. So 1 by 2 multiplied by 164 meter minus 50 meter. Now 164 multiplied by 1. Just see we will multiply the numerators. 164 multiplied by 1, that means 164 upon how much will come? 2 meter minus 50 meter. So that means 164 is to be divided by 2. So divide 164 by 2, how much will come? 82 meter minus 50 meter. So answer is come how much? 32 meters. So this is the breadth of the field is how much? 32 meter. Next is question number 13, in which perimeter is given and breadth is given. You have to find out the length. So in the same way, same formula is there. For length of field you will write half into perimeter minus breadth you will do. Okay. So that you will be doing in the homework. So that's all about this chapter. So we have